Hey 17 Hats members, do you ever struggle with writing the same email over and over or feeling like copying and pasting templated emails and documents just aren't personal enough for your contacts? I'm going to show you how to use tokens in 17 Hats so your templates personalize themselves automatically and you can type less, make fewer mistakes, and provide a more consistent client experience overall. Before we get into how to do it, let's first talk about what a token is. A token is a placeholder connected to a specific data field inside 17 Hats. So when you insert a token into an area that can use tokens, 17 Hats replaces that placeholder with real data from your account. That data might come from your account settings, online scheduling, a contact record, a document, or a project. When you use tokens in your templates, the bulk of the information you want to convey to your contact stays the same, but the little details that personalize the message for the contact are automatically filled in. Let's see how to add a token in 17 Hats. Go to your templates by clicking the Documents and Emails shortcut icon at the top of your screen. Find the template you want to add tokens to by clicking on it or choosing the Edit option from the triangle drop-down menu on the right. You can also create a new template by clicking the New Template button. I'm going to edit an email template for an online scheduling approval email, but this process looks the same regardless of the type of document you're creating or editing. Before I started using 17 Hats, I kept a folder of templates like this that required changing the names or details of anything in all caps, which was tedious and risky, so I definitely want to replace these and never look back. Place your cursor exactly where you want the information to appear. Click the Insert Token dropdown. Choose the tokens or token you want from the list. Don't worry, I'm coming back to talk about this list in a sec. You may have noticed there are already tokens here. That's because I've already used tokens in my email signature. Using tokens in your email signatures are so helpful if you ever change any of your account information. That way you don't have to edit every email template to update your phone number or website. Click Save, and that's it. Now every time you use that template, the tokens will automatically be replaced with the actual data they were holding a place for. If you want to test it, create a test project using another email address you have access to and choose the template you edited. You'll see the tokens populate automatically. Well, let's talk about that drop-down list I mentioned coming back to. You'll notice that each list option starts with a bracketed word followed by a short description of what the token is holding a place for. Contact tokens use your contacts data, project tokens use data from the specific project, account tokens use data from your own account settings, and scheduling tokens use data from online scheduling. Depending on the type of email you're making a template for, you'll see some document token options as well. Those tokens use data from documents, like invoice total and invoice due date, for example. If the field is empty in 17 Hats, the token won't have anything to display, so accurate data entry matters, and it's another great reason to test your templates before using them with your contacts. You may have noticed that I have some tokens in my list that you don't see in yours, like partner's name or favorite shampoo scent. Those tokens became available when I created custom fields for my contacts and projects. That means you can have placeholders for common data you collect that wasn't one of the default data fields in your 17 Hats account. Now you know how to use tokens in 17 Hats, so it's time for you to start tokenizing everything you can in your account. If you're feeling overwhelmed, just start with one template per day. You don't need to overhaul everything in one day, but don't put it off too long. Every minute you spend manually composing and editing is a minute you're not serving your clients or building your business. So let 17 Hats handle the repetition so you can focus on the work that actually requires you.